Hello SLCC students. Today we're going to talk about using Express Capture to post a video with audio in a discussion, and this also works the same if you need to post in a quiz or test. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to make sure that your video camera is turned off in any other application such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams or whatever you may be using. Make sure your camera is turned off because you're going to need it. Okay, for this example, we're going to look at discussions. So this discussion, the instructor is asking you to make a brief video about who you are. So you would click on reply, and now the rich text editor window comes up, and you need to go to apps to do this. So it is under tools, apps, or you can go over here to this plug and click on it. And if you don't see embed Kaltura Media, because that is what we're going to use, just click on view all and they'll come up. And you're going to click on embed Kaltura Media. And then you need to click on add new. Now at this point we're going to choose Express Capture. Okay, so that should come up with your webcam showing you yourself. And there should be a microphone. If you need to change anything, you can click on this cog in the upper right corner, and it will give you the options of all the web cameras you may have and all the microphones you may have. Choose the one that you want to use, and then you can just click on it again to close it. So now at this point you should be ready to record, so you can click on the big red button. It will count down, and now we're recording. Hello there, I'm Kathy Sutton and I work for Salt Lake Community College as a instructional media developer. I help faculty make media for their courses, including instructional videos like this one. Alright, so then I'm going to click on the stop button, which is the little white square there.
And now we're recording.
So you can listen to your recording, and if you don't like it, there's an option down below here to record again. Or if it's okay, you can click on use this. And for our purposes, this is fine, so I'm going to say use this. Now you can change the name of this, and I would at least put my name in it and maybe what it's about. Something about me. Now, for that name to stick, you need to go down here and click on Save. And then after it says the changes have been saved, you want to go up and click on the Save and Embed button. Now, it's going to tell you that your media is being processed, and that's fine. You can go ahead and click post reply. You don't have to wait until this gets finished because it will be finished behind the scenes, and on short videos it won't take very long at all. So I'm going to go ahead and click on post reply in this discussion. And as you can see, it's finished already because it was really short. So when you do this in a quiz or a test, it's the exact same thing. You will use the text box underneath the question, and you will go through the same process. And if you have more questions after that, you will go ahead and finish up your questions before you submit your quiz. So that is it. If you have any questions, you can contact either Canvas support or perhaps your instructor. So I hope you have a great semester.